Hi everyone, my name is Ting Dayang. Today I will teach you how to sketch the graph of a quadratic function. We see the general form in quadratic function is ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. If a greater than 0, the shape of graph will be U-shape, like happy or smiling. If a less than 0, it will be shape of graph will be upside down U-shape lah, like unhappy or unsmiling. Then we see the B. B is stand for the whole graph position. If B rather than 0, the whole graph position will be left hand side, then more close with negative. If B less than 0, the whole graph position will be right hand side and more close with positive 1. Then we see the last C. C is y-intercept. Y-intercept is one coordinate touch in y-axis when x is 0. Next, we can see the types of roots. So we can get the three types of roots. The first one is b squared minus 4ac rather than 0. Then we have get the 2 point in x-axis. So it is a two different real roots. And second, we can get the b squared minus 4ac equal to 0. So we can get the 1 point will touch in x-axis. So it is a two different but equal real roots. And third, we can get the b squared minus 4ac less than 0. So we can see the graph and x-axis will not touch, and we can see a little bit more the distance when the graph and x-axis. So it is a no real roots. So we cannot get the answer in x when y is 0. So we do a one question. Sketch the graph of quadratic functions fx equal to 3x squared minus 6x plus 5. When we sketch the graph, we only remember the 5 steps. The first step is find the A is positive or negative. So we can see the 3 is positive. So the shape of graph is U-shape, like happy. The step 2 is find the y-intercept. Y-intercept is C. So we can see in general form, we can in third number. So 5 is a y-intercept. Step 3, we find the maximum or minimum point. So we can see the shape of graph is U-shape. So U-shape, we can get the minimum point. When we find the minimum point, I have one formula fastly to get the answer. So it's x equal to negative b divided by 2a. Negative b is negative 6 divided by 2a is 3. So we can get the answer x is 1. So we substitute in the general form f1 equal to 3, 1 squared minus 6, 1 plus 5. So we can get the answer is 2. The step 4 is find the types of root. So I already to explain the types of roots. So we substitute the formula b squared minus 4ac. So b squared is negative 6 squared minus 4a3. C is 5. So we can get the answer is negative 24. So it's less than 0. Less than 0, so the graph will be no any point will touch in x-axis. So step 5, we can find the y is 0, so we find the x answer. But in this case, we get the types of roots is no real number, so we can skip the step 5, so we no need to find the x answer because the graph will not touch in x-axis. We write down, we get the information, so we write down the maximum point is 1 and y is 2 and y-intercept is 5. So we can draw the graph like this. So this is the whole graph what we want to sketch it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.